Hi, I'm Michelle Johengen, the service manager for Northtown Lexus, and I just want to take a few minutes today to talk to you about protecting your vehicle after your basic warranty has expired. The Lexus cars all come with a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as a 6-year, 70,000-mile powertrain warranty. But when that's over, what do? Cars can still break, they're still machines. A Lexus is a fantastic product, but they do have issues as they get older. We offer a multitude of different packages for warranties to help protect you and your car once the warranty from the factory expires. We can go all the way up to 10 years or 150,000 miles to keep you protected. Some things that could be protected are your alternator goes bad or you need a brake caliper. These are all things that can just be expensive, and we don't want to have to do that to you. So with all of the electronics on these new vehicles, we just want to make sure you're protected. All of the parts are manufactured from multiple places all over the world, and we just want to make sure that if you have an issue, we're here for you. With the ever-increasing cost of parts and labor, getting a service contract sooner than later is in your best interest. I also want to talk to you about the Service Connect alert system from Lexus. So if your car registers an issue, it will contact Northtown Lexus and let you know that there's something going on. And then we're going to reach out to let you know that we're here for you. Whether it be a check engine light, washer fluid is too low, your car is just due for maintenance. We're going to know about it, and we're going to be here to help you. I'm Michelle Johengen. I'm the service manager from Northtown Lexus, and I'm here to let you know that the service department is open 6 days a week from 7:30 in the morning until 9 o'clock at night for all of your service needs. We appreciate your business and look forward to helping you soon.